What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today we have a product from Gigabyte. We have Gigabyte X470 Aorus Ultra Gaming motherboard, one of the best budget motherboard I personally think. Now the price tag on it $139. Now I get a pretty good deal on this motherboard. I picked up this motherboard from Micro Center for $129. Now today real quick we'll unbox this motherboard, give you guys like a quick overview and show you guys what this motherboard have to offer. Now this video is not a detailed review. If you guys want to see like a detailed review, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and you know, we'll make a detailed review video. So let's just go on and unbox this motherboard real quick and show you guys. Alright, so the first thing you guys can see, we have the motherboard empty static packaging, so you know the motherboard doesn't get damaged or anything while shipping or basically, you know, handling and stuff. And see what else in the box real quick. Alright, so we have IO shield, of course. Every motherboard should come with an IO shield, and then we have two SATA cables. Okay, so each package have like two, so there's like 4 SATA cables right here. And also I don't know exactly what is this, it could be for temperature or something, I don't know. This is one of these cable here. And then we have like the connector thing. Okay, you can like run all the cable through this little adapter, so you know the wire cable management will look better. And also we have the installation guide right here, and also we have another user manual with the CD, but I do recommend you guys to install the driver from Gigabyte website. Do not install driver from the CD because sometimes the drivers are outdated. And what else we have? We have a Aorus badge, and also we have one of the M.2 the installation screw right here. Now let's look at the motherboard real quick because that's the main thing. Alright, let's put everything else aside and let's take the motherboard out for you guys. Alright, so you guys can see the motherboard here. Again, it's a Gigabyte X470 Aorus Ultra Gaming motherboard. Alright, you guys can see here. So let's just go through the I/O real quick. So it does come with a 9 USB port. You guys can see it's really important whenever you're buying a motherboard, make sure you have enough USB, because let's put it this way, you use webcam, so that goes 1, mouse 2, keyboard 3, then you want to connect hard drives, and then you want to connect like microphone and stuff, so you do need enough USB ports. So this motherboard have almost 9 USB ports, so it does come with 4 USB 2, 2 USB 3, and I believe 2 USB 3.1, and then this red one should be USB 3.1 or 3.0, and then we have a USB-C, and also the Ethernet the port right here, and then we have the audio interface. Alright, so let's look at the PCI slot. So you guys can see it does come with one. Alright, so you guys can see here it does come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PCI slot. Now it does come with 3 full-size PCI slots. So the first one is 16x, the second one is also 8x, and the third one is 4x. So if you are doing like Crossfire or SLI, you definitely should use 2 top one, and that should be it, because if you're using like the top one and the bottom one, then you're not gonna get you know, good speed out of the PCI lane. Also it does come with, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know if it's 10 face motherboard, or because it's showing here this motherboard does support 8+3 face hybrid digital power. Now I don't know if this motherboard does have 8+3 phases, but I would recommend you guys to watch Gamer Nexus for you know, all this stuff, because I'm not too good with the power phase and stuff. So let's look at how many fans we have in this motherboard. So we have one next to the I/O. So one, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 fan headers, and also we have 2 M.2 right here, one with the heat shield and one without. And because the reason they gave one here, because of the graphics card goes top on it, so the graphics card heat doesn't you know, make the M.2 hotter or anything. And also we have 6 SATA 6, the SATA connection here. And other than that, guys, this motherboard is really nice and simple. One thing, the motherboard I would like to see in this motherboard, like a power and a reset button, but I understand this motherboard is a budget motherboard. Yes, this motherboard does come with 8-pin CPU connector here, and also yes, the motherboard is 24-pin. Does have 2 USB 3.0 header here right in the bottom, and then front panel connection. There's like a 2 USB 2 yeah, header right here. Yeah, overall this motherboard looks pretty good, guys. Like I say, this video is not a detailed you know, review video, just showing you guys just a quick overview. If you guys have any other question, leave in the comment below. I think this Aorus sign does light up. I'm not sure, I didn't test it yet. And again, I personally think this is a great budget AM4 motherboard from Gigabyte for $129. I think you can pick up from Newegg if I'm not mistaken. The retail price on the box is around $139. Okay guys, if you guys have any other question, just leave in the comment below. Just quick overview, and I just wanted to share with you guys. That should be it. Peace.